Prosperity Ball 2025. Prosperity Ball decorative item that embody the principle of Feng Shui, particularly focusing on the symbolism associated with the Chinese culture. Wala naman pong mawawala if gayahin natin ito or sundin natin ito. Pero guys, this is only based on my research and experience dahil 10 years ko na po ginagawa ang ganitong tradisyon. This prosperity basket have designed to attract positive energy, abundance, and good fortune in your home. But reminder lang guys, hindi daw pala tayo dapat gumagamit ng itlog at cotton, at kung maglagay tayo ng bigas, dapat puno po ang ating bowl. Bakit po pinagbabawal ang itlog? Dahil ang itlog po ay symbolize daw po ito ng zero, at ang cotton ay symbolize daw po ito ng pagkakasakit dahil ginagamit daw po ito sa hospital. The prosperity bowl symbolizes wisdom, strength, and prosperity. It is open with the following attributes, like wealth and abundance, its unique shape of coiling around the basket or the bowl represent flow of wealth and the idea of abundance. Good fortune, bringing luck, especially to those born in the year of the snake. Wow, swerte ngayon ang mga year of the snake. Congrats sa inyo. Pero syempre, kung may swerte, dapat may sipag din. And you know guys, this prosperity ball provided several benefits, like enhanced positive energy that helps to create harmonious environment, attracts wealth. The basket or a bowl as a reminder of abundance, of prosperity. Aesthetic appeal, its intricate design adds to touch of elegance of your home. If you're looking to elevate your space and invite prosperity, consider adding a Feng Shui or a ball prosperity in your collection. Pero aware kayo guys, dahil hindi po ito pwedeng ilalagay sa CR sa mga bathroom, hindi po pwede. Hindi din po ito pwede sa mga kusina na may mga matatalas na bagay. At hindi din po pwede sa kinakainan nating misa or sa dining table. Perfect po itong ilagay sa desktop, or if you are work from home and then you have office, pwede siya. Very ideal po siyang ilagay sa desktop po natin. And perfect din po itong ilagay sa corner of our home or di kaya sa taas ng ating ref. But make it sure na lagi natin itong check dahil dapat lagi itong malinis. Walang alikabok at lagi nating palitan yung bigas dahil pwede naman nating lutuin yung rice after 3 days para laging bago. Remember guys, huwag nating iasa sa swerte ang buhay natin. Kailangan ng hard work, kailangan talaga ng sipag, tiyaga, and patience. With strong faith. Wala pong imposible kay God. Happy 2025. God bless you all.